This is a used 2013 Dodge Charger. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include hill start assist, electric trunk, keyless go, push-button start, leather seats, heated rear seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Don Gasgarth, Charlotte County Ford, is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3156 Tamiami Trail, Port Charlotte, Florida 33952.